How to install the underwear shooting styling rack. Insert this slightly open foam tube. Insert it into the side telescopic rod. Fix it with the free tie strap. This open-ended foam tube onto the waist bar. It's used to tie and flatten the waistband during styling. This thick foam tube with double-sided tape is glued to the egg-shaped hemisphere. Then put it on the middle telescopic rod. Install this crotch fixing accessory onto the end of the side extension rod. This short foam tube onto the side telescopic rod, and put a silicone ring on the end to prevent falling off. You can also cut off a corner to reduce the exposed part to make it easier to edit later.